Get noticed in this 2010 Nissan 370Z.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle.
Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice.
With a reliable 6-cylinder engine,
a manual transmission gives you more control and a greater driving experience.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.